Hola guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene and I'll be showing you how to do a simple natural eyebrow look. First, you will need Davis eye pencils number 18, number 3, number 1. Make sure they are sharp. You'll also need a flat brush and a spoolie. So I started off by using light hair strokes from the beginning of the eyebrows to the end. Next, I'll be using number 3 from the middle of the eyebrows to darken it, and number 1 to define more the ends. So I'm going over with the spoolie using upwards motion and with using the same techniques, going over to make sure that the eyebrows are well defined. Now, using a foundation color that matches her skin, I'll be outlining using a flat brush. So I'm cleaning out the eyebrows. So I'm going downwards and up the eyebrows. You can already see how defining makes the eyebrows pop out. So after defining, or rather outlining, I'm going over with a foundation brush to blend in the foundation and making everything is seamless and well blended in. So voila, there goes the look. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, please like this video, subscribe, and also comment down below on the next videos that you would like of me to share with you. And I also hope to see you try this look out and share with me.